Hey guys, Funk Roberts from over40alpha.com. I'm here with my amazing cousin Faye, and today we're going to actually show you one of the workouts from our 30-day challenge specifically for women. Right now we're shooting a workout for our other program for women, but we're going to show you guys an awesome workout that you can do bodyweight only, specifically for women, and we're also having a 30-day challenge, not to mention. So click the link anywhere on this page or down in the description box. Join that challenge. It's $1. You get workouts, you get nutrition, you get coaching from Faye every week, you get everything you need. So it's just $1, and we're going to show you one of the workouts specifically from that 30-day challenge, and I'll talk to you after the workout is done.
Hey ladies, I'm Faye and I'm here with Funk today, and we're gonna be taking you through the Bodyweight Cardio Blast. So we're really gonna be getting that heart rate up, torching those calories. It's 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds of rest, 5 exercises for 3 rounds straight, no rest. So I hope you guys are ready. We're starting with high knees in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is just the first round, so pace yourself a little. Get those hips warmed up, arms pumping. Try and get your knees higher and higher. Your knees should be coming to about your hip level. Nice and light on the toes, no elephants here. Got this, where are we at? 2 seconds. Nice. Great. So breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. We're gonna be continuing with skaters. So nice big leap to the side, sit into that leg that lands as wide as you can. Okay, starting in 10 seconds. I need to catch my breath too. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. So really stretch that leg as you leap across. Use your arms. Sit into that leg. We're halfway there. Good. Keep breathing. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Good. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Slow down your heart rate a little. Going into speed squats. So it's just a regular squat, sitting back, feet shoulder width apart. So if you're gonna do it as fast as you can. You have 15 seconds of rest. Continue breathing. Doing great. 5 seconds. Get into position. 3, 2, 1. Pump your arms as you go. And you can do this as quickly or as slowly as you feel comfortable to start. Good. Get nice and deep. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. 10 seconds left here. Good. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay. Coming into our sprinter lunge. So maybe I'll demo it this way. Gonna do one leg at a time. Gonna reach back, touch the ground, and drive that knee up. So we're gonna do 5 on one side, 5 on the other. 10 seconds of rest. Let's start with our right leg forward. 3, 2, 1. Good. Drive that knee up. You can add a hop if you want to. 4, 5, good. Switch legs, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, let's get one more set in. 1, 2, 3, 4, finish. 5, good. Gotta make sure it's even. Okay, final exercise. Push-ups. These are my least favorite. I'm not very good at them. So where you feel comfortable, modified if you want to go from your knees or right from your toes. And you can pick a hand width that's comfortable for you for this. 5 seconds. 3. Ooh. I lied. Good. Keep breathing through this. You got this. Ooh. 15 seconds left. Good. You don't need a break. 5 seconds. One more. Good. Finish round 1. We're right into round 2 with the high knees. Keep breathing, ladies. We got 20 seconds of rest. How are we doing, Punk? Yeah, if you can, kick up the intensity. Okay, 5 seconds, high knees. 3, 2, 1. Try and get those knees a little higher this time. Really nice and light on the toes. Pump the arms as much as you can. Halfway there. 10 seconds. Get those knees up. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Good. That's a hard one. Okay. Skaters. So remember that's the side to side movement. Getting nice and low. And remember to sit back on this one so you take some of the pressure off your knee. 10 seconds. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Yeah. 2, 1. Good. Really feel that glute working when you land. This is good for, yeah, your glutes and your abductors, hamstrings, and your heart. 3, 2, 1. Good. Yeah, you don't want to rush that one too much because your heart rate will still increase even if you slow it down a little. Okay, speed squats next. 15 seconds of rest still. When you're ready, get into position. Feet a little wider than hip width. 3, 2, 1. Try and get a little deeper into your squat this time and a little bit faster. So really use your arms to pump. Good, and most importantly, keep breathing. 3, 10 seconds. Speed it up a little bit, you got 5 seconds left. 2, 1. Woo, good job. Okay, those sprinter lunges again. So you're gonna speed them up a little bit so we can get both legs evenly and not go into our rest time. Keep the core nice and tight, yeah. If it's uncomfortable for you to touch the ground, you don't have to touch the ground. Just do a reverse lunge with your chest up. 3 seconds, 2, 1, right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little faster, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're good. 2 seconds to spare. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Coming down to the end of round 2. Gonna finish with push-ups. Hopefully I can get through this one. My chest is already burning. 10 seconds. Some nice deep breath. Big deep breaths. 2, 1, go. Good. We're 10 seconds in. You got this. Good. 10 seconds left. Ugh. Ugh. 2 more. 1, 2. Good. Last round. Here we go. Everything you got now. This is it. Then you're done. Okay. We have 15 seconds of rest. I'm sweating. 5 seconds, high knees. 3, 2, 1, go. Fast as you can this time. Pump the arms, knees nice and high. Light on the toes. Keep breathing. 10 seconds left. Almost there. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Good job. I'm liking this one. Okay, here we go. Skaters, side to side. Take a little bit of rest. Got 10 seconds left. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Sit into that leg when you land. Push the hips back. Really get it in that glute. Good. Use the arms to help balance you if you're losing your balance. We got 10 seconds left. Good job, ladies. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Whew. Almost there. Keep breathing. We're going to be going into the speed squats next. Okay, 10 seconds of rest left. We're going to really speed this one up, but don't compromise your squat depth for speed. 2, 1. Good. Use your arms to help you speed up. Still get nice and low. Whew. 15 seconds left. Good. Push through the center of your foot. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Whew. Felt that one. Okay. Our sprinter lunges. They're good. I do not like them either. Okay, we're gonna start with our, let's start with our left leg. Switch things up. Left leg forward, 5 seconds of rest. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 3 seconds to spare. That was really good. Okay, last one, the dreaded push-ups. So last time we have to do this. Move forward a little. Here we go.
So you gotta get strong.
And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Okay, 5 seconds. Get into position. 3, 2, 1. It's only 30 seconds of your life. Good job, ladies. 15 seconds. 10 seconds, 3 more. 1.
Keep going. Keep going.
You got this. Squeeze out one more. Nice one. Oh, sorry. Good job, Funk. And that was cardio blast. Good job, ladies. Whew. Oh. Yes, get some water, get a towel, wipe off your sweat, and let your heart rate come down slowly. That was excellent though. Good job.
Okay, so there you have it. It's an awesome bodyweight only workout specifically designed to help women get into amazing shape. Coach Faye is the best. So like we said, please join our 30-day challenge specifically for women. It starts April 6th. Goes to May 6th. It's $1. You're gonna get follow-along workouts just like the one you just saw. You're gonna get nutrition, an amazing nutrition plan from Coach Faye here, who is actually a nutritionist as well. And finally, you're gonna get coaching and a support group. Because right now, there's a lot going on in the world. Yes, we need physical distancing, but we still need to have social inclusion. So we're gonna bring you an amazing Facebook group, and Coach Faye's gonna be there coaching on a weekly basis. So guys, ladies, $1, click the link and we'll see you in the first workout.